Friends, let's discuss a judgment which has been delivered recently. Here, a patient with a known previous cesarean is brought to the obstetrician's hospital. 7 months amenorrhea. The patient's emergency cesarean is performed. A premature child is delivered. Few days later, the patient is discharged. Post discharge, the patient is brought back to the hospital after a few days with fever, chills, rigors. Symptomatic treatment is given. When no relief is seen, the patient is referred to urologist. The urologist, after investigation, diagnoses a right hydroureter with a right hydronephrosis. Due to ureteric injuries, most probably which has happened during the cesarean. After multiple interventions and multiple admissions, the patient recovers and files a case of negligence against the doctor. The obstetrician is held negligent for so many other reasons. But a part of the judgment has stood out for me, and the medical profession should be a little bit concerned if this continues. Holding the doctor negligent, the court has added that any further treatment which the patient has to take for this complication in the future has to be paid for by the obstetrician. As a student of law, I know a doctor is held negligent, he pays compensation and there is closure. But the court should know that medicine cannot be defined in black and white. There are bound to be areas of grey. Supposing this patient has some problem of the ureter or the kidneys in the future, it can be because of some comorbidity or any other reason. Who is going to decide this? Hope the obstetrician approaches the court for a review of this judgment and hope the court gives better clarity to this judgment. Thank you.